If Max Verstappen from Formula 1 shaved with a straight razor, this is what it would look like. Now, I might not be a daredevil on the road like he is on the track, but when it comes to a straight razor, I like to think I'm in control of my own race. You've seen me shave fast before, but this time I'm taking it to the limit. 3 passes in 1 minute and 17 seconds. And here's the thing, it's not about rushing the strokes. It's all about precision, control, and no wasted movements. No hesitation, everything is calculated. And just like Verstappen depends on the Red Bull team, I've got my gear dialed in. Ariana Evans' new Sandalwood cream. This stuff is super slick, and in my opinion, it's the slickest shaving cream on the market right now. It leaves so much residual slickness that I can skip relathering for the across the grain pass. It's like not having to box my Formula 1 car. There's no time lost, just smooth control, straight through the stroke. It's thanks to precision, control, and the right gear that I was able to break my own record. So yeah, maybe I'm not chasing podiums, but if Max Verstappen ever picked up a straight razor, I'm pretty sure this is how he would shave. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.